Hey everybody, this video is packed jam full with new finds, so much so that I ran out of room for an intro. So my name is Lindsay. I love to make Dollar Tree videos, come shop with me and DIYs, but this is a lifestyle channel. So let's go shopping at the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And they got the gold chargers. Red chargers. These remind me of expensive dishes that we've had in the family forever. All of these do. I mean, you could put together a really nice table with this. Oh my goodness, the mugs. What a beautiful display. Table runners. Oh, they have white. Wow, that's so nice. Oh wow, they have an infinity scarf in the red buffalo check. That's pretty cool. Could even use it on crafts. This is a good boy's hat. Even though it says men's, I guess it wouldn't fit my son. You guys, I'm checking out 2 other Dollar Trees this weekend, so make sure you're subscribed. Hit the notification bell. Oh my gosh, I saw these were coming out. These green, I don't know, do you call them goblets? I don't know what you call them. But these are so pretty. And I saw them online. They're pick and pack, I believe. So that means you can buy them online and buy 4 at a time. You can have them shipped to the store so that you don't pay shipping if your store doesn't have them. That's an option. This teal is so pretty. Whoa, this is holding this up. That almost got ugly. Cute. Goodness, Dollar Tree has a headlamp. That is amazing because these range from $13 to $25. So I'm definitely gonna get this and try it out. And these are their new like click lights, I guess. I like to put these under shelves, but this one's different. I guess it swivels up and down, so I better try one of these out. Oh look, the headlamps come in black, blue, and green. Like this. Oh, that's a good little night light. Automatic light sensing. These are awesome. I have something like this in our bathroom, but it's flat, like flush like that. And it's great because at night it just comes on, it knows it's dark out. So love that. That's a great find. Looks like there's a lot of new car fresheners. I've never seen these. Fresh FX. I can't smell through the container. But I'm gonna try this one out. Here they go again with these. Remember when they had the CDs and all that jazz? Guys, this is too much that Ed Hardy is making air fresheners that are in store. I picked up both of them. I can't wait to see if they smell good or not. Alright, if you've been watching my channel, you know I've been into the press-ons lately. These have been on a little over a week. They're starting to not look good, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get them off. So these are super cute. I might have seen these before. They're definitely cute. Look at these. Love it. Oh, so they have these in all different colors. We have purple, teal, light pink with glitter, darker pink with glitter, purple, and then I'm gonna insert here some nails that I saw at another store yesterday. So I was too shy to talk because people were looking at me as it is. Look at these designs though. That green one that I just showed you and this blue one. I mean, these look so good. If you haven't tried press-on nails, I really suggest you try it. I'm so glad I did. So let me know in the comments, because I know these sassy and chic nails, they have a huge following. I mean, these patterns, they look so good. My coworkers couldn't believe they were press-ons. They thought my nails looked really good. Oh, tea tree oil is awesome. It's good for so many things. All right, I'm gonna try some of this. Make your tree come alive, motion activated light and sound Christmas decorations. This is so cool. So, how come they're not working? Oh, look. Oh, here it is. Right, what's this one? Same thing. Oh, that's a good song. All right. So these magnets for refrigerators, file cabinets, metal doors, lockers, I've never seen these before. I guess they had these out last year. So I did get this one right here. I'm excited to get it open. I believe it's separate magnets. Chair cover. Different than this. And here's a little advent calendar for children. That's sweet. And then we have snowman and Santa Claus. Oh, cool. This is the first time I'm seeing these. They're like gift bags, but they're hard like a box. And then look, jackpot. Look at these boxes. I saw them yesterday in another store. I asked if I could open the box and they let me. So there's 4 sizes. So we have this pattern. Let me show them. Oh, that's sweet. So it looks like these are all the patterns and there's 4 sizes. Oh, here's some more. Oh no. I really like these. Like, I'm in love with these. These will be so cute under the tree at Christmas. Yesterday when I looked at these, there were 4 sizes, but I can only find 3 right now. But this is what they would look like stacked on top of each other. I would love to think of a DIY to do with these bells. Not necessarily Christmas, just like create something really cool out of it. Look at this, you guys. A little reindeer. I wonder if my son will like this or not. I don't know what he would think. There's only one. That's crazy. This is cool. Very nice. Oh, I didn't see these last week. These must be new out. Just put out. These are adorable. Totally adorable. Let me show you some more of these boxes because you guys, I'm thinking, looking at the dimensions, we might be able to put this in a frame. And I have the perfect frame, and I can put a mat around it. Have a Merry Christmas, ho ho ho, merry and bright. And this is the same, just in white. Oh, here's a new one. Oh, this is cute. Like a stamp. Alright, that's all the digging I'm gonna do. These big ones. What's going on with the big ones? Oh, wow. May your days be merry and bright. It's cool that it's got like the black. This candy dish. I wonder if I could paint this and make it look rustic. I just don't have room to keep buying this stuff though. You guys, I need and I want to do a giveaway soon. Let's see, you get 2 of these little plastic buckets. So keep an eye out for that. I just started thinking about it and trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. Alright, you all, so I did a candy video yesterday, and I am at a bigger Dollar Tree, and they have even more candy that I didn't see. These Godivas, get it, they're good. There's 4 pieces in here. They're awesome. I did not see these yesterday. Did not see these yesterday. How cute. Oh my god, these are so good. Braden and I ate 2, and you can also put a hook on them and hang them on the tree. How cool is that? Oh wow, they didn't have this. Oh wait, all this chocolate for $1? 1, 2. See, now here's where we run into trouble. Orange cream, not that good. Strawberry cream, probably not that good either. But for $1, we gotta try this. Oh wow, what else? These are good. These are very similar to Lindt. So the inside is really soft. So these are gonna taste better if you keep them in the refrigerator. All right, everybody, I'm signing off. I hope you enjoyed this Come Shop With Me, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Make sure to hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, because why not? It's free. And I don't post a bunch of annoying videos that are worthless. I only post good quality videos. I'll see you on the next one, guys.